today's video, I'm gonna show you how to diagnose this flash and check engine light. I already scanned it like a few minutes earlier. It's a misfire, cylinder 1 through cylinder 6. Most likely the culprit is the oil pack ignition, so I'm gonna show you how to change that out. Also, you can see from the exhaust, yes, I'm smoking a lot. It smells just like gasoline, very bad. So that's one way to diagnose that you have a bad ignition coil pack. I'm gonna go to the engine. You can hear it sounds like it's pulsating, like it wants to cut out. So first thing we have to do, make sure the car is cooled down. Have to remove this coolant reservoir, because if you don't remove it, it's going to be in the way when you remove this coil pack right here. So right here is a 12mm bolt. Grab yourself a socket or ratchet, take it out, put this to the side. So to take out this bolts right here, you will need an Allen key or L key. What I like to do is I grab this bit right here, buy something like this. So grab this bit, make sure it fits. That fits, you grab a small ratchet, and then you find this socket, which is a 1/4. Stick it in there, and then you take this piece, bit, put it in here. Now remember, it's not magnetic. And then you just put it in here, and then make sure with 2 hands you just turn it and make sure you don't lose this bit right here. See, I have it loose, and then you just grab the bit yourself and then start turning it. Now don't fully take out the bolt, because you're gonna have to unplug. See this right here? I'm gonna squeeze this. Now you can see that comes up. Squeeze it and then pull it up. Now I already took out the bolt. Put it on the side. Now let's grab it out. Pull it out. Let's inspect it. Yeah, it's about that time for a replacement. Let's pull out the rest. So I pull out the second one, and look, it's filled with oil. So most of the time when the coil pack fails, it's because oil is leaking in it. And to prevent this, you have to do a valve cover gasket. This is the new one, the aftermarket, but you know, for emergency you can still use this. And what you do is just reverse step and slide it back in, connect this, slide it back in, and then grab the bolt, put it back in. And now I forgot to mention, while you're at it, you can also change out your spark plug if you want. It's a 5/8 socket. You could buy it from AutoZone or any auto parts store. Make sure it's magnetic. And then for the back, it's not going to fit because it's too long. You would need a 16mm socket with 2 extensions, and then you'll be able to take it out. And to remove that, you have to remove the strut bar. Now I'm not going to show you how to replace the coil pack ignition in the rear, but one step I can show you. What you have to do is take out the strut bar, which has 3 nuts. You need a size 12 socket with the ratchet, and then you loosen it out for both sides. Remove this. You don't fully have to remove it, just enough space so you can get your hand behind here and take out the ignition coil packs. So I took out the coil pack for the rear, and it was filled with oil, so definitely have to do a valve cover gasket. Crank her up, And hopefully this fixed the issue.